With more than 2 years of COVID-19, all of us are adapting to a new normal of fighting and yet not pausing. If you're going to work, visiting parents, planning a holiday, or have young children at home, it's very important that you keep getting tested regularly, even if you're fully vaccinated, in order to contain this pandemic. The Roche COVID-19 at-home test is a very convenient test that can easily be done at any time. Let me show you how to use this test in very simple steps. Step 1. Please ensure that the area around you is neat and clean and hygienic when you're about to take the test. Wash your hands and then open the Roche COVID-19 at-home test. Please ensure that you've read the user's manual before you start taking the test. The Roche kit has a user manual, a test cassette, a sterile swab, an extraction buffer tube, and a waste disposal bag. Step 2. Scan the QR code given on the side of the pack. This will take you to the MyCovid-M app. Download this application and fill in the basic details. Also, please check the back of the test cassette for expiry date. Remove the test cassette from your package and scan the QR code given on the test cassette using the MyCovid-M app. This will link the code of your kit to your personal details. Step 3. Once you have opened the pack, perform the test immediately. Remove the no-hassle, very easy to use extraction buffer tube and the nozzle cap. Remove the lid of the extraction buffer tube and place it on the extraction buffer tube holder that is provided on the pack. Remove the sterile swab from its package, put it 2 centimeters into your nose and rotate 5 times inside each nostril. Your swab is ready. Step 4. Place the swab into the extraction buffer tube and stir it 10 times. Now squeeze the sides of the same extraction buffer tube and remove the swab. Use the nozzle cap to cover this extraction buffer tube and now put 3 drops of this extracted specimen into the test cassette. Important! Please be very careful while doing this step and ensure that the volume of the liquid is as written in the user's manual, else it may lead to an incorrect result. Step 5. Please ensure that the cassette is placed on a flat surface and start the 15-minute timer on the MyCovid-M app. Do not disturb the cassette or try to get the result before the 15 minutes are up. Please understand that the time duration is the most critical factor in a self-test. At 15 minutes, the app will send out an alarm. Then, use the app to take a picture of the test cassette and wait. Please allow the app to analyze and display your COVID-19 self-test result. How to check and analyze your results? If both the control line C and the test line T are visible, the result is positive. Even if the test band is faint, it should be considered as positive. If only the control line C and no test line T is visible, the result is negative. If the control line C is not visible, the result will be invalid. Either positive or negative, if you have symptoms, please consult your doctor. Step 6. Now that you have got the test results, put all the components into the disposal bag, seal it tightly and discard the kit properly. Also, please ensure that you wash your hands properly after this is done. Simple and quick, isn't it? So why wait when you can self-test and keep yourself and your loved ones safe and reassured? Get your Roche COVID-19 at-home test now.